Daikon, also known as white radish or Japanese radish, is not just a culinary delight, but a powerhouse of health benefits. Let's dive into the top 10 health benefits of this wonderful vegetable. 1. Aids digestion. Daikon contains enzymes like amylase and esterase, which aid in breaking down carbohydrates and fats, promoting a healthy digestive system. 2. Detoxifies the body. Daikon acts as a natural diuretic, helping to detoxify the body and promote kidney function. 3. Boosts immunity. Rich in vitamin C, Daikon strengthens the immune system, helping the body fend off illnesses. 4. Promotes healthy skin. The antioxidants and vitamins in Daikon help combat free radicals, leading to glowing and youthful skin. 5. Supports respiratory health. Daikon has anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate respiratory issues like asthma and bronchitis. 6. Aids weight loss. Being low in calories and high in fiber, Daikon can be a great addition to weight loss diets. 7. Strengthens bones. Daikon is a good source of calcium, which is essential for healthy bones and teeth. 8. Reduces blood pressure. Potassium-rich Daikon helps in regulating blood pressure by balancing out the negative effects of sodium. 9. Prevents cancer. The phytochemicals in Daikon have been shown to have anti-cancer properties, especially in preventing stomach cancer. 10. Improves heart health. Daikon's ability to lower cholesterol levels makes it beneficial for heart health. Incorporating Daikon into your diet can be both delicious and beneficial. From salads to soups, there are numerous ways to enjoy this versatile vegetable.